guys, we are back with another video. So where should I begin? So let's start with USDJPY. So I was reading the news. Let me just show you guys. I was reading the news and I realized that they made a big sell-off. Like I bought it at about 147 something. I think it was right here, and I got stopped out because I was not trailing my stops. So this we ended up on a break even on this trade. However, patterns they repeat themselves. So what I noticed was that China was trying to slow their dollar from sliding into 150 zone up here. So they made a massive sell-off at 151. I was on my way to work. I completely missed it. So, but what I do realize is that the US dollar is still in a strong buying position. So, and they did it before, because when it was at 145, they bought in. And this was roughly about 540 or 50 pips in the space of like an hour. And they did it again when the dollar hit all-time low, all-time high of 151. And it came to about 566 points. So it was a strong move, and then they just bought it back up. So this might take some days, but I'm still looking to hold USDJPY. I don't think the dollar is gonna turn back based on we're in this strong bullish uptrend. So I will be buying back in at my same price of 147. But this time I will have a TP of 150 and then second TP of 151. So that's what I'll be looking for. I'll be buying it at 0.20 or 0.205, and I'll have a stop loss at about 147, just in case the dollar wants to they want to try that again. Now this time I'll be trailing my stops. Now the next thing I want to add is that if you guys have been following my chart markups, I have not deleted any of my markups. Let's go on gold. So I remember telling you guys from gold was up here. I bought in here and I took my first TP down here, and I didn't continue the trade. Sadly I ended because I saw retracing. However, I had put this, and this has been on my chart for the longest time. If you are still been in this hole, I would take gold for a long term right here. Now gold has successfully come right here. Gold is still in a bearish trend, as you guys can see. Up here, down, up here, down, and now you're getting this double bottom pattern right here. As you guys can see, that strong area of resistance is right here. Bounce back up. Now maybe it will give us a break and a retest to take it back up to here, or it will give us, let me put some arrows on here just so I can remember. Where are my tools? I'll just use the ray. Let me just use the ray. So that's what I'm looking for gold to do. Give us that strong break and retest. You get me? Strong break and retest, and come back up here, take it for the sell all the way long term. If bros decides to break this 162 122 level, 1622 level. However, let's look at another scenario now. Gold can do this. It can come here, come back here, retest this area. It can come here again, bounce here, retest, and go here. You see what I'm saying now? So these are just, let me just move so that we say so that more clear. These are just some of the options available to us. So it can come here, break, retest, come here, or it can reverse here, break, retest, come here, retest again, and come back up to this level. These are just some of the possibilities for gold. Also, I'm seeing this sweet setup on US30. I had to wait for the retest on the top zone. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I did not catch this move down here, but I caught this one. I caught the retracement from this down to here. This solid bullish up move, I did not catch it, but this move from down here to all the way down, I caught it. I made probably about $400 because I was in there at 0.07. I go in at 0.07 because US30 can destroy your account if you don't use proper risk management. This was a clear break and retest, and then the news hit, and the dollar lost its value, and it just went shh. So you gotta be so careful, so careful with this US30. I'm just learning how to trade it properly because honestly, I've never won off US30 until this week. This week I had a strong success with it. I ain't gonna lie, I made some money this week with US30. So Monday I'm looking to go back in US30, gold, and Usdjpy. I like how the Nasdaq is looking, but I'm not finna mess with that, not this time. Just because I'm seeing it's in a bearish trend, and I'm a bit confused of what it's gonna do right here. So let's take that off. What is this? GBP CAD. I'm not looking to go in that next week as well. What is this? GBP AUD. This is a strong setup. I like the setup. This looks like a proper break and retest. See, break, still playing with the area, retesting the area. I'm looking to take this trade on Sunday, I ain't gonna lie. Probably looking at a 1 to 7 risk to reward. Let's look for previous highs. So yeah, definitely looking to take this for a buy. I ain't even playing. I'm looking to take this for a buy. Let's look on the daily to see what's happening. Still in this area. But we're in a downtrend. Broke the downtrend. I'm looking to take this all the way up. Yep, definitely looking to take this all the way up. So my first TP would be here. So I would enter, I would go long. I'll be looking at around my stop loss would be a little bit about, I would say 23 pips. 23 pips would be my stop loss. Or I could go a little bit further. Let me just put that in text too. This is a quality trade. Minimal risk. And I would take double entries on this too. This is a good position. Alright, so yeah. Alright. Well, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.